How can I selectively disable paste blockers? As more and more websites add paste blocking code of one type or another to email and password fields and more people use password managers, the two are increasingly coming into conflict. While there are extensions such as Don't Fuck with Paste for Chrome or Disable Clipboard Manipulations in the dom.event.clipboardevents.enabled preference for Firefox, all of these suffer the problem that there are legitimate reasons why websites might want to hook into OnPaste, such as Google Docs rich text support or Facebook's link handling, so I don't want that functionality completely disabled. Go to About column config and search for dom.event.clipboardevents.enabled, then double-click to toggle. Another option is to hack every page you find with the offending code manually, but that is a lot of hassle and doesn't work in every case, such as with this page. One suggestion of how to do this can be found on Martin Brinkman's Paste Passwords into Blocked Form fields on the Internet page. Ideally, I just want to be able to say re-enable paste on all fields on this page either as a button or a context menu option for the page, so is there any way to do this? The closest thing I have found is Derek Pryor's re-enabling password pasting on annoying web forms, but this uses the same method as the manual method, so fails to work with the specific page I was having problems with, and I have no idea how many other methods might be available.
It appears that since I asked this question, the original Don't Fuck with Paste extension by Jacob Swanner has improved a lot, and Aaron Ramist has ported it to Firefox. Both now allow this functionality to be enabled on a per-site basis, and although it doesn't automatically fix the problem on the problematic PetPlanet site I mentioned, manually enabling it does now fix the problem on that site.
Web forms which have this paste blocker feature may implement it declaratively by using the onPaste attribute for a text box or by binding an event through JavaScript or jQuery. Contrary to what you stated, I was able to get Derek Pryor's bookmarklet to work on Chrome, Ver 39 on Windows, with pages that had the attributes type equals password onPaste equals return false on the password text box. You can also try Chris Bailey's bookmarklet, which breaks paste blockers implemented through JavaScript. This is a bit of a hassle, but another alternative is to disable JavaScript temporarily for that page, which in turn will turn off the JavaScript paste blocker. For Chrome, the keyboard shortcut to open DevTools is F12, to reach the settings panel is F1 and AMP. Here you'll find the checkbox to disable JavaScript in the General section.
For pages that use jQuery, basically all web pages, you can paste the following JavaScript URL into the address bar.
Please note some browsers silently remove the JavaScript column part of the code. So make sure the code in the address bar is exactly as the ones below. Type manually JavaScript column, otherwise it won't work. For the specific website you've mentioned in your question, use the following code. For almost all the other websites, paste the following JavaScript code into the address bar.
If you want to separate the channel, please consider subscribing.